Hey there guys, I'm Imanshu and welcome to Filmora music video editing series, where I'm gonna teach you some amazing stuff. So in this episode, we're gonna learn this effect.
Two-face killer, go gorilla for the bag. That boy be a pussy, kill the vibe, he a drag. Autobiography gon' look like a brag. Let's get to the money, I'm on PT.
Import your clip into Filmora and drag it into the timeline. Now drag it again above the first one. Now we have two same clips parallel to each other. Okay, now go to the effects tab into the filter section, and here go to the material section and take this embossed effect and put it onto the second clip. Now you will notice that our second clip is too much gray and we exactly want it to look like that. Okay, now double click on the second clip and remember not to change the embossed properties in the video effects. Instead, go to the composition from here and change it to darken. And now you will notice that our clip now has this weird vintage type RGB kind of effect going on, and that is exactly what we want. And now our effect is done. But you know what? I'm gonna add some color grading to our main video so that our second video will have some good texture in it. And now it looks more punchy. So guys, in the next video, I'm gonna teach you that how to create this weird glitchy kind of effect in Filmora. Even I don't know its name. So yeah, do like, share, subscribe and turn that notification bell to get notified when I upload this next video. And I will see you later.